Welcome to CondoLogie.
I'm CondoBot. In this video, we are going to kill two birds with one stone. First, we will review the register of syndicate file and then, we will calculate the syndicate contribution. So it's basic, we have the details of the syndicate. Often when the syndicates are affiliated, there are addresses which are from the same place, there are people in charge that you know. It's already part of your administration. Quite simply, what we have to do is to complete the details of the syndicate. Then from that, we will have a part where we will be able to manage the syndicate. That means as communications. It works exactly on the same principle as the register of condominium for acknowledgements of receipt or for communications regarding contributions. Here too, we can calculate the syndicate contribution, which is made from budget items whose amounts are redistributed between the syndicates. This means that CondoLogie will seek out everything associated with this syndicate to make its annual contribution. We will of course break down the payments in the same way as the register of condominium. We are now going to go inside the register of syndicate where our syndicates are registered. We click on the three small green dots, then on Edit. We go down a little further, we will see here in the contributions section that if we click on Calculate, automatically the portion of this syndicate is calculated and indicated in the total of the annual budget, and we simply have to choose the payment method. CondoLogie will calculate the amount of the contribution. You can do it monthly, by check, or by transfer. At that point, it's as simple as that. In breakdown of payments, we will be able to use one line here per transaction for all transactions that are made for this syndicate. Once again, if you are sure of your move, we will redirect to the Register of Syndicates report. We will click here to select all our syndicates, then we will click on Edit. Then from that, we will come to a search by Calculate, which is the field we want to modify. At that moment, we apply. Yes, our amounts arrive, and now what we want to do is calculate the contribution. So we will say, Payment Method, and we choose monthly by transfer. There, you have to be careful because it is a selection which is in mass. There may be syndicates which can decide to pay in a way different. So at that moment, you will have to make an individual adjustment. Okay. We click on Apply. Yes, that's what is done. In principle, if we come here then we click on Edit, we come to see and here is our contribution and calculate. In the next video, we are going to send our contributions. In fact, we are going to send contributions for the register of condominium and also for our syndicates which are registered.